Hey there and welcome back to Tutorial Guru. In today's quick guide, we are going to show you how to log out of your email account on your PC. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser such as Chrome, Firefox or Edge. In your web browser, go to website of your email service. For example, for Gmail, go to mail.google.com. In the top right corner, you will usually find your profile picture or email address. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the sign out or log out option and click on it. You may be asked to confirm that you want to sign out of your account. Just click sign out or log out to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully logged out of your email account on your PC. It's essential to log out, especially if you are using a shared or public computers to protect your privacy and security. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.